Hi everyone, my name is Rajdeep Saha and welcome to my course Amazon DynamoDB Best Practices. I am a senior cloud architect at a Fortune 10 company where I migrate real enterprise applications into serverless and DynamoDB. I am a published instructor, public speaker, and I have AWS professional certification. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database from AWS that provides fast and predictable performance with seamless scalability. DynamoDB is the NoSQL database of choice for modern applications. In this course, we are going to cover how to architect, automate, and optimize DynamoDB. This course will also get you prepared for the DynamoDB section of the AWS Database Specialty Certification exam. Some of the major topics that we will cover include DynamoDB components from basic to advanced. Then we will learn how to migrate your existing databases to DynamoDB and automation of DynamoDB using CloudFormation. We will explore DynamoDB security, logging, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Then we will dive deep into optimizing DynamoDB performance. And we will test all our learnings with lots of questions and answers for AWS certification exam preparation. By the end of this course, you will know how to design, build, run, and operate DynamoDB systems. You do not require any prior DynamoDB experience. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic knowledge of AWS services such as VPC, CloudWatch, S3, along with some experience with common database concepts such as table, primary key, query. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn key features and design well-architected, highly available and resilient DynamoDB applications with the DynamoDB Best Practices course at Pluralsight.